Hi there, Graham Stevens, owner of Auckland Steam and Dry Carpet Cleaner of over 30 years. I'm here today to give you a summary of different carpet cleaning processes, the benefits and the disadvantages. Firstly, I'd like to talk about encapsulation. Encapsulation carpet cleaning is where a moist absorbent powder is sprinkled onto the carpet. The theory is that the dirt from the carpet is absorbed into this moist powder, and it is later vacuumed up. Benefits: very convenient. Disadvantages: not very effective. Secondly, there is the foaming or shampoo type method, which is similar to the machines you can hire at the grocery store. This method is you generally would walk behind the machine. A product is sprayed into the carpet and it's brushed hard and vacuumed out. The benefits of this method is it is reasonably effective, mainly because of the agitation. The agitation is good. But the vacuum is generally pretty poor, so the disadvantage is it leaves it quite wet and leaves a resoiling residue in the carpet. Thirdly, there's the dry chem method, which is where a pre-spray is sprayed on the carpet. Like a floor polisher is used to buff that carpet. It has an absorbent pad on it, so the theory is that the dirt within the carpet absorbs out into that absorbent pad. Disadvantages are it's quite rough on the carpet. It's sort of scrubbing the carpet with a mop, a bit the same as you would scrub your hair with a towel. And the advantages are it is reasonably effective and quite practical as maybe an interim clean, like in between restorative cleans. Fourthly, we'll talk about restorative cleans, which is more of a steam clean. Steam clean is where hot steam is injected into the carpet and vacuumed out, all within one process. There's two primary types of steam cleaning. One is a portable electric steam cleaning machine. This is a smaller, less effective machine. However, it is necessary for high-rise buildings or where there's nowhere to run wastewater. And the second one is big truck mount machines, which is more effective as it has bigger vacuum, bigger pressure, and more heat. This process generally is used by pre-spraying the carpet with a oxy type citrus product, which emulsifies the dirt, and then going over the machine with a hot water extraction machine, which the steam is blasted into the carpet under pressure and then vacuumed out, all within one process. So the theory is that moisture doesn't get to the backing, it just stays within the pile, dries reasonably quickly, especially with the truck mount. The truck mount is by far the most superior method in the world today, and with the truck mount you can turn the pressure right up or down depending on the severity of the dirt and stains, and there's not much that a truck mount can't get out of carpet, unless of course it's set in stains that have re-dyed the carpet. In that case, different processes needed, such as heat transfer. Well, I hope I've been of help, so you can make an informed decision. If you'd like to see more information, please see the link below. Thank you.